Hi guys, I'm Ranajoy from Pulia, West Bengal. Today I will talk about South Sudan. South Sudan is located in Africa, which is East Africa, means a little bit at the bottom. It's at the center of Africa. Now let's start. Okay, so here are the neighbors of South Sudan, and yes, this is how the flag looks like. And here are all the facts about South Sudan. Okay, so now let's talk about the facts about first. So the first one is the capital. So what is the capital of South Sudan? Well, the capital is Juba. And Juba is located here near the country of Uganda and the DRC. Well, the full name is Democratic Republic of the Congo. And yes, you can see it right here. Now for the dialing code. The dialing code is +211. Now I don't know what dialing code is, but but let's move on, okay? Now for the currency. It's a very long word. And here it is. South Sudanese pound. Well, the pound is the currency of UK. And yes, South Sudan was a part of the United Kingdom because of the UK's empire, and it was free. And then yes, it was still pound. Okay, now for our population, which is 1.12. Well, yes, that sounds like a lot. Yes, it is a lot. Okay, now for religion. So the Muslim is the highest in here because it's 90.7% of the population is religion is Muslim, and the Christian is also here, which is 5.4% of the population of South Sudan. And lastly, it is African traditional. And yes, it is 2.9% of the population is African traditional. Okay, now let's look at the flags. I mean the flag, not the flags. So here how the flag looks like. Well, I don't have any color markers, but I write some words so you can know what are the colors. So this star is yellow, and this cross right here is blue. And these two lines right here are white. The top part is black, and the bottom part is green. Okay, so that's how the flag looks like, but I don't have any color markers. So yeah. Now I will tell you about the neighbors. So here are the neighbors. Oops, I forgot to name this country. It's Kenya. So the neighboring countries are Kenya, Uganda, DRC or Democratic Republic of the Congo, CAR. Oh my god, it sounds like the vehicle car, but it's actually Central African Republic. And Chad, oh, not Chad, because it's separated by the neighboring country Sudan, and also Ethiopia. So that's all the neighboring countries that are bordering South Sudan. And yes, let me tell, also the neighboring countries also have capitals. Like Sudan's capital is Khartoum, which is right here. Ethiopia's Addis Ababa, which is, and a fun fact, it is also known as the capital of Africa, the whole Africa. And yes, and now for DRC, we cannot see the capital because it's on the other side of the African continent. Okay, now, and Uganda is Kampala, right here. And yes, that's the only capitals. And the other capitals are at the other side of Africa, means the other parts of Africa. And yes, how many panhandles are there in South Sudan? And yes, you can see one right here. So yes. Also there are people right here on this panhandle. And the panhandle borders Sudan and Ethiopia. And if it was a separate, and the panhandle was a separate country, then it will border South Sudan and Sudan and Ethiopia, and also the country we are talking about, South Sudan. And yes, what do you want to name this country? Tell me in the comments below. If you want to create a new country from 193 countries to 194. Okay, so let's remove this because it's not a country now, but it will be in the future if the South Sudan's people will agree to get a new country right here. Okay, so yes. The Juba capital is right here at the south. But I have an interesting thing for you. Let's separate this into different states. And yes, let's divide it into these separate fragments right here. And let's name them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, can you guess which one of these states have the capital of South Sudan? Well, you can already see it. It's 3 because it's right here. And yes, and the other states will get its new capital. And yes, the country 3 will get the name Juba for the capital. What about the others? Tell me in the comments below if you want to name these too. Or if you don't like South Sudan, then don't watch this video. Then watch our other videos then. Okay, now let's remove these these states. And let's connect South Sudan again. Okay, welcome back South Sudan. Sorry for the dividing. And yes, and fun fact, the South Sudan was a part of Sudan, but it got independent in 2011. So yes, it is now 2021. So what if you minus that? Means how old is South Sudan? Now 2011. Oh no, wait. What? Oh yeah, it's 10 years old. Oh yes. It's 10 years old. It's the youngest country in the world. So yes. And yes, these are all the facts about it, and here's all the flags, and here are the neighbors that we talked about. So are we gonna end this? Sir, okay, let's end this video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, comment below. If you don't like this video, do not comment. Bye!